Come on, come on, come on, buy something. Hey, Abigail, what are you doing here?
You don't have to be harsh, please.
What do you mean you don't have to be harsh?
I want to see Zadek.
For?
Tio, are we quarreling? The only thing I committed is trying to get Zadek on my side instead of Kosi.
So what made you think that you're a better option for my friend Zadek?
We don't have to go into all of that now. But you can help me, you know.
How?
Just tell me the things I can do to get Zadek to be on my side, please.
Oh, that. I mean, that's very simple. Read my lips. Stay the hell away from my friend Zadek. You hear me? Stay the hell away from him. You go find something reasonable to do with your miserable life. Zadek will never have anything to do with a prostitute like you who will end up infecting with infections.
I beg your pardon!
Excuse me. You heard me right. A good radio frequency does not repeat itself.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Slow and steady, windy rays.
Everything is becoming more serious than I ever thought. Do you know these people find it difficult to give me access to see my brother?
All these are Wakile's plans. To keep him there so that he will be crowned king before the Namwa will be released.
My brother is very stubborn. He is. He keeps to himself. We need to contact his lawyer.
Yes.
But I don't know his lawyer. Yes, I don't know. But I don't know his lawyer. And we cannot hire anyhow lawyer to defend him in this kind of fraud-related issue.
All these are mere allegations. Odenamwa is not a fraudster. Why not we contact Kosi to see if she can be of help?
Kosi does not want to hear anything concerning his father. She doesn't. And she believes he is the one responsible for what she's going through now.
Nothing can make a daughter to hate her father in a situation like this. Emembolu must have infested Odenamwa with Ahwase so that nobody would want to help him.
You see, my brother doesn't listen. Odenamwa cannot listen. Eh? This is long time travels overseas made him believe that everything concerning our tradition is metaphysics and fetish. Yet he wants to become a king.
Let us not apportion blames yet. I'll give you some money from the share I got from Wakile so that you can use it to lobby to see Odenamwa and get access to his lawyer. Meanwhile, I'll try to tackle spiritual with spiritual. Chege, as for Kosi, you must try to see her. Let us not abandon her yet.
Okay. I'll try.
Yes.
Ichionoma, thank you very much.
It will be okay.
I really appreciate all your efforts and love to this family. God bless you.
It will be all right. It will be all right.
Love more, and you go be love more. Where you love more. Oh my.
Babe?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
So I've been doing some research, and I realized that a sickle cell anemia patient can live and grow as old as Methuselah.
Come on, babe, come on. You know that is not possible.
It is possible. You may have to look at this yourself.
Wait. What? Allogeneic bone marrow transplant?
Yeah.
How is that supposed to be possible?
Hematology. And it's going to work. Trust me.
Wait, hold on. Then who is going to be the donor? And you know this is going to cost a fortune here in Nigeria.
All right, listen to me. Let's accept that we will do it. And we have to do it. If we run some tests and mine matches with yours, then I can be the donor. Listen, we don't have to travel abroad. There are high-equipped hospitals here in Nigeria that can handle it. And trust me, you'll get your life back again.
You know, my father, in all of his high level of exposure, he never pays attention to the little things that matter. His extension of love for me is splashing money on me every now and then. Zedek, honestly, I grew up with a lot of psychological disorders.
Kosi, that's enough. Where we're headed is today. A better illumination of hope. I can hear a far cry of hope beckoning on you to come out of your depression and embrace a new life.
Thank you.
It's going to work. I assure you.
Obimo, Enyego Obimo, Wereya, Obimo. Love more, Enyego love more, Wereya, love more. Oh my heart, I have given you my heart.
Anyị si ebenya kolasi lejebe bonye ozo weje bili. Anyị dozi si ebenya. Anyị dozi si ebenya. Anyị dozi si ebenya o. Konye muzikwa. Anyị dozi si ebenya. Kolasi lejebe na konye ozo weje bili.
Jelichun mili inine Ochusia mila jabi batanku inine Opatasianko janito ve
Inine.
Otesio fabiani suniji inine Wakile bunke membalo ini Emembalo bunke wakile Inine,
Let me put something.
Eh. Oh, okay. Are you done making the soup?
Almost.
Okay. You're still cutting the yam. Ngwan say son. Hey, Ogini, what is it? Hey, manage it, eh? It is well. My hobby, my hobby. Oh my goodness.
It will soon be done.
It is It's okay.
Once Sophie is done,
okay.
bring it down.
It's okay.
Yes.
It's okay. Inine yatabuomo inine inine yatabuomo. Oh no, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Go ahead.
Continue singing. I will be distracted.
It's okay. Go ahead. So when you're done, you serve me in the sitting room. I'll be in the sitting room. All right.
I know my duty.
All right.
So you want me to care about a man who cares nothing about me, but about all that he has acquired for himself, for vain gratification?
Oh, Sister Chukwu, watch your tone. Do you realize this person we're talking about is your father?
All right, Auntie. I do not have any money to give you to get a lawyer for him. And you already know that I don't know my father too well to know who his lawyer is.
I understand your anger. Please, but you have to take it easy. We cannot abandon your father in there for long, else the world will laugh at us.
Listen, I'm sorry to interfere, but I think we need to put heads together to ensure your father comes out. Yes. Besides, we've been very insensitive about him. Please.
My dear, did you hear him? If you cannot listen to me, why don't you listen to your friend? Your father, my brother, needs to get out of that place. He needs help. Please.
Kosi, if there's anything we can do to help him, let's not hesitate. We need to do it fast. Right?
Let's go inside.
Thank you very much.
Chege. Where is she? Chege. She's not in. Oh. Where must she have gone? How did it go?
She accepted to help with 600,000 naira.
Beautiful.
Which she transferred into my account immediately.
That's good. Beautiful. Now, with this 200,000 naira, it will be 800,000 naira, yes, which will be enough to pursue the case. Oh. I went to consult an Ebonam, the mouthpiece of Okikane, and intimate him on the issue. Okike Abiama will help us to conquer Membolo. We are on it.
Oh my God. Hey, thank you very much.
Don't
Once
bother.
again, I'm grateful for all you have been doing to this family. You are indeed a good friend to me.
You don't need to. Odinamwa is a good man. He's my good friend. We will triumph.
Okay, sir. Let me keep this money.
Okay. Okay. Hey. Wow.
Nurse, how is our son? Where is he?
Sorry, ma, who is your son?
Yes.
You cannot see him now. He is still in the theater.
Huh? Theater?
Yes, sir.
What do you mean theater?
Ephraim, what did you do to our son? What happened to him?
Calm down. You only asked for a referral to this hospital and I directed him on who to meet.
Nurse, why is my son in the theater? What is he doing there?
Please, can I see Dr. Oshile?
Sorry, sir, you cannot see her now. She's the one conducting the surgery.
Ephraim, what is going on?
Calm down. Dr. Oshile is my former colleague's daughter, and I think she can handle everything like that. So just calm down. Calm down. It's about to just calm down.
Save my son.
It's okay.
You save my son.
Doctor, what are you talking about?
Sir, your son underwent a major operation in the bone marrow transplant.
What? Is it autofocus or allogeneic transplant?
I thought you knew of all of this because the referral documents that he brought to sign and to approve for the processes contains your letterhead.
Doctor, can you please give me a clear explanation of what you are saying about my son?
Ma'am,
please.
Your son brought in a sickle cell patient and offered to donate his bone marrow for an allogeneic transplant to enable the girl to live a normal life again.
Can I go and see my son now?
No, not today. He's in intensive care.
Calm down. Make it be okay. Just calm down.
I don't want anything to happen to my son.
Nothing will happen to him. It's okay.
Don't mind this. Excuse me.
It's okay. My son.
Papa.
Go ahead and talk to us.
Papa, there's really nothing to talk about. I met with a sickle cell patient and I was touched. I was moved to find a redeemable solution to her problem. And that's exactly what I did.
You said that she's from Akuku Igbo. Which family and which part?
Mama, you ask too many questions at the same time.
We need to ask because we are our son. And we don't want you to make mistakes.
Remember that Eukarya is still waiting for you to return and fulfill your promises to her.
Hello? Hello, sir. Hi, good day, sir. I'm fine, thank you. I will thank God, sir. Oh, I'm so sorry, sir. We both traveled. It's actually part of the process. Yes. By weekend, sir. All right. Thank you very much, sir. We thank God for everything. Yeah. All right. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Yeah. Right. Papa, I need to see Kosi. I'll be right back. All right. Just give me a sec. Right back.
Everything about our son has changed.
But I begged you to work on his redeployment. You insisted that changing of environment is part of learning. Now you have seen it. He has learned to be keeping things from his parents.
Don't worry. I will find out what is keeping away from us.
I will worry you. I will worry.
Just relax. Disturb yourself too much. Just relax. I'm his father. I know what to
do. Aren't you bored? Come on, sit down, sit down, sit down. Sit down. Yeah. Guess who just called?
Who?
Guess.
I don't know. You tell me. Who?
Your father. Your dad. He's been released.
Oh. That's good.
That's good? That's all you're going to say? Aren't you excited?
He said like there is nothing exciting about him. Listen. All I'm focused on right now is how to plan my life. Our lives.
Right.
Okay, so that we can both travel abroad as soon as you're done with your youth service. I strongly believe that we will do very well building our lives, our own lives.
Right. Kosi.
Yeah.
Your father will be excited to see you. I'm sure he would. And I'm very sure that he's working tirelessly to right his wrongs. I told him we're back by weekend.
Sadek. Thank you. Okay? Thank you very much. And you have found peace. Peace of mind. You gave me reason to live again. And I just want you to know that I will be forever indebted to you. Okay, so are you going to give me a hug now?
Much for everything and for me. I really appreciate you.
My brother.
Brother, you even deserve more.
You don't really need to thank us. Now that you're back, what are your plans?
I need to slow it down and reduce my visibility in the community. I will put a measure for Wakile. An eye for an eye.
Mba, brother. I suggest you keep your eyes off from the kinship tussle for now. Focus your attention on your family, especially your daughter. If possible, get a maid.
Chege, you know me. I am not a coward. Nobody will stop me from my quest to become the king of this kingdom.
Trust.
Nobody.
Correct. Correct. If Mwakile becomes the king, then we're finished. Akuku Igbo will be in perpetual doom. Yes.
Mwakile is like a square peg in a round hole. They don't fit. Even if I decide to quit this race, definitely it cannot be him.
Wakile thinks that I am behind him. But I will be a fool to see a fire that will consume us and support it. Mban, posterity will judge me.
Once again, thank you very much.
You don't need to. Oh, okay.
Chege, thanks a bunch.
Thank you.
You people are very wonderful.
You don't need to thank us.
Melchizedek.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
Fine.
Sit down. I hope no one saw you while entering the compound.
The gate is opened. I didn't see anyone there.
Yes, it's on purpose. I sent Ichoko out. As for Kosi Sachoko, she also is not around. Now, the idea is that we discuss without anybody is dropping on us. I decided for some reason to stay away from public eyes for now, but that is something we'll talk about some other time. Tell me, what magic did you do on my daughter? Because she has changed drastically for good. In our discussions, she's focused, and that's wonderful. What did you do to her?
Chief, that should be a story for another day. I mean, the most important thing right now is the fact that she has accepted to travel to Canada to study law just like you wanted.
Yes, that's correct.
Right.
And I will not have to wait until she travels out before I fulfill my own part of the bargain. Let me start by giving you the 5 million which I promised you.
Chief, there's no need for that. I don't want the money.
Why?
Things have changed.
Changed? For what? I mean, how?
I don't know how to say this to you, but I have to. Your daughter and I are sincerely in love with each other. Yeah, I mean, I'm not doing this for money, honestly. I didn't get close to your daughter because I wanted money. To cut a long story short, your daughter and I are in love with each other, and it's a beautiful feeling.
What nonsense are you talking about? My friend, this was not part of the game. The plan was that you do a job and get out of her life. Listen, I have a plan for my daughter. Anybody of low social standard is not acceptable for her. You are a distraction. Take this money and get out of her life for good.
Chief.
Melchizedek who? What's the surname?
Chief, I'm sorry, I don't need your money.
Listen, when you get to the bank, you add your surname. Now, take this money.
Chief, my name is Melchizedek, and I can't be bribed. Have a great day.
If you like, cook for her. If you like, love her, walu walu. Person when I put in house for other, Abusabada Kigachi. If my body goes wise, one ascending.
Let's see.
Seriously, Kosi, I am surprised you said you don't want anything except water.
You know, I don't do alcohol anymore.
Ah.
Yes, my baby has stopped me from all manners of reveries.
Okay, now
Yes.
that's interesting.
Yes.
Okay.
Ouch! Hey.
What did I just do?
Okay.
No, I'm good.
Are you
That's
sure?
fine.
You're not going anywhere. There's no last card in this. Let's see.
Take off.
Hey, wait!
Okay. Welcome, bro.
What's up?
I'm good.
Darling. Welcome, darling.
Hi.
Hi. What's wrong with you?
I'm fine. Anything?
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm. What's up?
Okay. I want you to meet my father.
Really?
Yes.
I met your father before I met you.
That's not what I mean, Zadek. I mean, I want to show my father the man who is responsible for the changed woman that I have become.
Kosi, enough. That won't be necessary. I'm not an ostentatious person, alright? So, I don't think that's possible.
I spoke to my father at length today. And he sounded like someone who cared about me and they changed me.
I don't care about the fascinations. I'm not interested.
Okay then. See, I promised my father that I'll be going to Canada this September to continue my education.
Okay.
But if you do not follow me to meet with him, I'm not going anywhere.
Really?
Yes.
I don't care.
Moment I set my eyes on you, my life never remained the same. Baby, look at me. You really got me
Madam Ana ife chukunye ife bụ ka ị ga-abụ ife chukwu sị na ị ga-abụ ka ị ga-abụ agbara ekenekwa ndị anyanwụ igwe mmiri na anị ntụkwu mbụ ka mkpu ibu a ogbosi awụrụ daalụ ntụkwu mbụ ka mkpu ibu a welinu rienu ma aka akpala chọgakwa onye ji ife ka ntị kwukwe achọrọ m ikwu ogologo okwu na asị na ogologo okwu adị n'ụka mgbede maka na nwaanyị ga-ana ga-esiri di ya nri anyị ga-ana ka anyị nụ rizọtụ ife ga-eme daalụ
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you?
Nothing is wrong with me, bro.
How can you say nothing is wrong with you? The contract you have with his father is, it's done. Okay, why can't you just go and see him and get due with the 50 million he promised you and get done with this deal once and for all?
Are you done? Theo, listen and listen good. Whatever I did for Kosi, I did for love.
What?
And not the money, bro.
What nonsense are you talking about? What do you mean you did it for love and not the money? Okay, what happens to your plan of traveling abroad to do your masters? Who will sponsor the trip? Who will sponsor the trip?
I'm not going to see her father. If you must know.
Don't piss me off, Zedek. Zedek, don't piss me off. Look, I am going to see her father if you do not go and see him. And trust me, you will not like my actions. What is wrong with you? This is the only opportunity you have of becoming successful. You want to throw it away? Look, your success is my success. Zedek, your success is my success. Don't. My friend, Go and meet the man, collect that 50 million naira. What is wrong? We love him. Say, I did it for love. Go collect that money.
Moment I set my eyes on you, my life never remained the same.
What is going on? What is happening? Eh? Odinanwa is nowhere to be found. I cannot even reach him. What is going on? What is happening?
You worry too much. I have told you to relax.
Relax. Relax, you said. Can the chicken relax when the hawk is out of the cage? Is it possible? Huh? Odinanwa, my greatest rival, my most dreaded rival, is nowhere to be found. And you're asking me to relax. How will I relax? Please, Ememboro, what do we do? That's the question.
Who told you that Odinanwa is free? Odinanwa cannot be free without me knowing, or at least having the signal.
So where is he? Where is Odinanwa? Eh? Where is Odinanwa?
The gods are silent on that.
The gods are silent on that. Any gods that chooses when to speak and when not to speak is not reliable. Is incompetent. Are the gods so incompetent that they cannot speak to us?
How dare you? How dare you call Ojirike incompetent and Ginike Boya stupid? In fact, the gods are angry with you.
The gods made me angry first. They got me angry first. Won't I react?
You better kneel down under the sun and beg the gods. And beg them before they strike you with Iyogwe. You better kneel down and raise your hands up.
The gods should consider me too.
Oh, you're still grumpy? I'm
sorry. The gods, please forgive me. I'm sorry. Please consider me too. You see beyond. Priestess, talk to the gods now. Kneel down.
My friend, stand up from there.
Thank you.
Hold on. Take that plate. I have some plates at the backyard, unwashed. Go there and clean them up. Carry all these things out.
Okay.
Nonsense. No. And as you go there, make sure you ask the gods for forgiveness against the blasphemy you just made.
Ibenye funa unanugo onyanguna ibenye funa unanugo onyanguna ibenye funa unanugo. My love, my priestess.
Bobomo.
My priestess.
Bobomo. Are you done?
Almost.
Hey, baby, no. That one.
Which one?
That one. You don't wash the back.
Oh, this one.
Wash it very well for your mama. Let me know how you take care of me when you get married.
You know I am a washerman.
Oh, yeah?
You want to
Baby. You?
Highest priestess of Akuku overall.
The other guy? The goddess and the custodian. Yes. Everybody knows.
Overall.
Yeah. Baby, no, this other one. The stainless steel.
Okay,
there's still oil in it now. Washerman, baby.
You see light and darkness. That is why you are the highest priestess of Akuku. Overall.
Custodian and goddess. Highest priestess. My baby. You're doing justice to it.
Yes, let me do justice to this one.
You're washing it well. You're washing it well.
Okay.
Wow. That's the government logo. Lagos State government.
Yeah.
Who is this? She's there.
Yeah. Dad.
Yes. Melchizedek is a name, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
I still have a sharp memory. Your father once sent you to my house.
Yes.
Please, sit down.
Thank you.
Dad.
Yes, Dad.
I want to introduce Melchizedek to you, but on a different level.
Okay.
Yes. Zedek is the most valuable thing in my life right now. He's instrumental to the new me. And Dad, I want to ask you for a favor and for your unwavering support.
What are you talking about, sweetie?
Okay, so I promise you I'll be going to complete my education, right? Okay. I want to ask you a favor, please. I want Melchizedek to travel with me.
Zedek is surprised at your proposal. Well, Zedek, I think it's a good idea. Yes, I'm sure it will benefit you. Hmm?
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you.
Okay, Kosi.
Yes, Father.
Can you please excuse us? I would like to have a word with Melchizedek.
Yes, sure. Why not? I'll be outside.
Quiet.
How are you, my daughter? You're welcome. I hope there's no problem.
I should be asking you that, Mama. Are you surprised to see me?
Not really, but...
But what? That Melchizedek visited and did not come to see me. And you, Mama, you could not persuade him to come and see me. Why?
My daughter, you will not understand. He had an emergency. In fact, it was so urgent that he had to... He left immediately. So I don't know what you are talking.
Melchizedek wouldn't have visited and come back without coming to see me. No matter the emergency.
What are you saying?
Is he hiding away from the truth? That he came back with an influential girl?
How? Where is that word coming from? What are you saying? Huh? Why are you saying that?
You know, Mama, I wouldn't have been saying all these things if your son had come to do what is expected of him to do. Yes, I wouldn't wouldn't have been going through this pain and agony of carrying this pregnancy alone. But you know what? He will never see my child. Never. I won't give him my child.
Did I hear you well? What are you insinuating? You are pregnant for my son, Zedek? Hey! Eh?
It's okay. I know how you feel, but it's okay.
Babe.
Yeah.
My fear is losing you. You're going to a far place where I will not see you again.
Come on, babe, that's not true. I'm going for my youth service, and you know it's compulsory for every graduate.
I know. My fear is communication. You can stay for a whole day without calling me. What happens when you travel to a far place?
Babe, listen, it's not what you think. I think you're just paranoid, okay?
I am not. Out of sight is out of mind.
It's okay, come here.
Promise me you will not leave me.
I promise, okay? I'm just going for my service and I'm coming back.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. Why not? All right?
I love you.
I love you too.
Why did you keep this from us all this while?
I never knew what your reaction would be. I'm an orphan, and all my life I've learned to keep things to myself. I don't have friends. The only friends that I have is my tailoring business and your son.
Your revelation, my daughter, makes me emotional.
What do you want us to do now?
Sir, Ma, I still love your son, Melchizedek. But it will hurt me that I will have a child without a father. It's fine. My child will always remind me of the man that I ever loved.
None of my blood will be labeled a bastard. I choose to do the right thing all the time. Just relax, give me some time. We'll meet again and discuss as a family to see the best way we can handle this matter, to have a lasting solution to it. No?
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Ma. Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you.
This way. Now, listen to me, you destitute. It's time you stopped this nonsense with my daughter. Take the money and stay away from her. She is older than you are.
Chief, I'm sorry. You cannot buy me with your money and intimidation. I love your daughter genuinely, and I think she's going to be a soulmate.
Oh yes, you love my daughter because she has an influential and wealthy father and comes from a famous family. Not so?
That's not true, sir.
Listen, you are worse than a gold digger. Can you imagine you loving my daughter? A small boy like you want to break her heart? I won't let you.
Chief, you have done your worst, trying to make me look cheap in front of your daughter. But I'm sorry to disappoint you. I cannot be who I am not. If I was a gold digger, I probably would have taken the money. 15 million is such a huge amount of money. Thank you for all the names you have called me. But trust me, I'll help you bring this charade to an end.
Take the money and vanish out of the life of my daughter. Otherwise, I shall tell her how I paid you to pretend that you love her. Take the money.
Chief, blackmails don't get to me. Enjoy the rest of your day.
How dare you? This boy. What?
Babe. What is wrong? What is wrong?
Ask your father.
Babe? Zedek! Father! Dad!
Oh my heart, I have given you my heart. Please take it, it's all yours. Baby, take my heart, control me as you will. Love is what I need, all be more.
Can you tell me exactly what is going on, Father? Melchizedek just stormed out of here without saying anything to me. When I persisted and asked, what is the problem? He only said I should come and ask my father. What is going on between you two?
Kosi, sit down. Sit. Tell me, do you really love Melchizedek?
I love him, Father, with all of my heart. Melchizedek is instrumental to my reformation. Yes, I am a changed person because of him. My heart yearns for him. And I don't think I can find this kind of love with anybody else if it's not.
Slow it down, Kosi. Slow it down. You cannot have anything to do with Melchizedek. He is not who you think he is.
Why? Why, Father? What are you talking about?
Now listen. Melchizedek does not care a thing about you. When I'm done talking, you will understand. I arranged Melchizedek just to get your heart tied to him. And the aim is that through love, the reformation of your life will be achieved. I paid and employed him to fake to love you. And you are older than him.
Oh my heart, I have given you my heart. Please take it, it's all yours. Baby, take my heart, control me as you will. Love is what I need.
Abigail, what is it? Why are you crying? Why are you crying?
I went to the hospital today.
Okay.
And the doctor said I have a chronic lung disease.
Jesus Christ. Jesus.
Due to too much intake of hard substances and smoke.
Why are all these things happening now? Why are all these things happening? God. What kind of life is this?
What are you talking about?
Are you still having issues with Stone?
If I was having issues with Stone, it would have even been better for me. It would have been better for me. Do you know that Stone infected me with HIV? Like I'm HIV positive as I speak to you.
Huh? What? What happened?
How do I know? How do I even explain this? Just take a good look at me. Just look at me. I'm going to die young. Look at a poor girl like me. I'm going to die young. Just imagine.
Calm down. I see hope for you. All you need to do is to start taking your antiviral drugs. And you can still live like every other person.
I mean,
unlike me, who is already so addicted with smoke. Even if I stop, the damage is already been done to my health and my system.
You're talking about retroviral drugs.
You are talking, and every day I am very close to my grave. You still have a choice.
Abigail, you don't understand. You don't. Abigail, you're talking about retroviral drugs. I can barely feed. Like, I can barely feed myself. How do I even get money to take care of? How do I even do that? It's okay, it's okay. It's okay, stop crying.
Oh my heart, I have given you my heart. Please take it, it's all yours. Baby, take my heart, control me as you will. Love is what I need.
How do you feel? How do you feel after playing with my heart? Don't you have a conscience? Listen, I may be wayward, but I am not foolish. How could you allow yourself to be used? How? My father told me everything. How both of you have been orchestrating every single thing that has been happening in my life. Tell me why I shouldn't do something crazy to you right now. Tell me!
Kosi, please. You need to calm down. This may sound very unintentional to say, but I love you.
Don't you dare patronize me with those love lines. I trusted you. I tried to do everything for you. So that you looked me in the eyes. You said you loved me. How was I supposed to know that you were lying to me?
Tell a lie. I truly love you. And I'm ready to do anything to prove it to you. Even if it costs my life. The bone marrow transplant was a decision I made to save the woman I have come to love. It wasn't part of the agreement with your father.
Oh. So you now admit that there was actually an agreement between you and my own father to lead me on with lies and ruin my life?
Kosi, I swear on my life, I fell in love with you in the process. I didn't take the money.
You know what? As much as I despise my selfish father, who does everything just for himself, I despise you even more. Continue to despise you till I die. Zedek, I curse the day that I met you, and I wish you 1,000 folds the pain that you have caused me.
So, you see, I'm the Akeze and the Onowu of this kingdom. I am going to pronounce you the king of this land. Eh? I have the authority and the right as the traditional prime minister. Nobody can stop me. Nobody. Huh? We are going to crown him. Yes.
Thank you very much. Oh no! When a man tries to bury himself by himself, his hand must come up above the grave.
You're welcome.
The Akofo of this great kingdom has since returned to Kikiana, the great gods of our land. Oh no, let me ask you, can you crown a king without offer in his possession?
Mban.
Nage Mologe.
Nema Abwa Kebe. What then do we do?
Mwakile here has desecrated this great land and can never be crowned the king of our community. 6 things great Chukwuabiama hates. The 7th is abomination unto him. A proud man, a lying tongue, a feet that sheds innocent blood, feet that run swiftly to mischief, a heart that imagines wickedness, a false witness, and a man who sows the seed of discord among his brethren. Wakile is guilty of them all.
I'll not be a part of this. Who then becomes our king?
Ordinanwa.
But Ordinanwa is nowhere to be found.
Ordinanwa is very much alive and within reach.
Nonsense. Arrant nonsense. You are talking nonsense, okay? Ejinekwa mmea. Ejine mmeifa. Ejine mmea. Ina kobele mense, ina kobo mismo moju mi mate ko oju mi male, oju mi fi oko. Ejinekwa mmea, oga ejine mmea cha. Abata me go New Testament and okadona kalama. This is leg. Wala mo yibo na dia sibo dia dia mo pta from all ki na abo ni na sibo na kona be ba na ejo. Ejinekwa mmea cha. Ma beze, abisi na abweze ga abona teze. Ma bisi na go. Maki. Ejinekwa mmea ntanta. Na agba. Go in there, poke well and light up everywhere. Light up everywhere. Raise it. Nonsense. Hejina kwa mia. Hejina mia cha. Hejina mia cha. Hejigo di mbidia hejina mpusia. Ayala. Burn it down. Raise it. What do you mean it's not working? Is that not fuel? Is that not fuel? It's fuel. And you're telling me it's not working. Or my milk okay, it's not working. By voodoo. By voodoo. Let us go to his house. Let us go to the house. Ofi enwune talk ta. How much dem mia? Ta. This one no work, the other one will work. Nonsense. Marriage na mia ta. Okay. And Ibrahim is nowhere to be found. And the house could not catch fire.
Then let us send thunder to strike him.
What are you waiting for, my business? Eh? Agi. Onya. Agi. Anu yoyo sananta po.
Agi.
Ya bo ku ekusi won yi. Ipe. Adebo na mi Ipe.
Agi.
Anu yoyo sananta po. Okay. Priestess. Okay.
Ubi.
Priestess. Ubi quoi?
Ubi.
Hey, priestess. What is it? What happened?
I was just beaten by Ubi.
Hey, Ubi. Wow. Obokoto obulu. Agi.
Ukunaga wara. Ayanele zam na fuya. Ukunaga wara. Ayanele zam na fuya. You cannot change the hand of time. So be mindful of whatever you do on earth. Nothing is new. Nothing lasts forever. If I never go Panam Nagifa. Oh my heart, I have given you my heart. Please take it, it's all yours. Baby, take my heart, control me as you will. Love is what I need.
Kosi Sochuku. You're not dressed. We need to get there before it's late.
I don't remember fixing an appointment with you, Mr. Odinala.
What? I thought I told you that we are going to the Canadian embassy for your student visa. That I've booked an appointment for you to be interviewed today.
And I do not want to have anything to do with you. The school, the embassy, everything. I don't want it. I wish I could just lose you same way I lost Melchizedek.
How do you mean?
You are a selfish father. Yes. You are not even fit to be called a father. All you do is abuse money and power. No, go ahead. Go and pay someone else so I can follow you to the embassy. Go! I am sick and tired of your megalomania. I'm tired. If all Melchizedek represented to me was fake, then you are a fake father.
Kosi.
I can only appreciate Melchizedek for taking the risk and making sure that I am no longer a sickle cell patient. He is a more noble man and a humanitarian than you are.
What are you talking about, Kosi Sochukwu?
In his acclaimed love for me, he took me for a successful bone marrow transplant.
What?
And today, I'm no longer a sickle cell patient. Can't you see? Can't you see that Melchizedek did for me what my own father could not do for me? Melchizedek has saved me on every side, yet you ruined everything. You have failed in marriage. You have failed in fatherhood. You have failed in everything.
Oh, Kosi.
This world is deeper than you're thinking. You want to become the king by all cost. Don't forget, they say charity begins at home. To be wapu sisi di madinanya, gulugado za wapu nkegi.
Okay. Enjoy killer. Enjoy killer.
Okay.
I win now. Okay. Sorry.
Say that shit.
Alright.
One
Pick
more
two,
for
pick
you.
two.
No.
Pick two.
That was one now.
Pick two.
Oh, that's what you mean.
Pick two again.
No, you said hold on. This is... Why am I picking when you said hold on?
Pick two.
Why should I pick two?
This is two now. This is
No,
not
this
two.
is three. This is general market.
Okay.
What are you playing, bro?
Sorry.
One.
Alright. Last card. Circle. Alright, bro, tell me the truth. What are you going to do if Kosi and her father comes up to you again? I mean, approaches you again? Will you accept?
No, I'm not going to accept. Theo, listen, I won't deny the fact that I fell in love with Kosi, right?
Okay.
And I tried to save her from sickle cell anemia by putting my life on the line, going through a major surgery, a bone marrow transplant. I did all of that for love. But you see what her father did to me? I won't tolerate that from anyone. I won't take that from anyone.
So what are you going to do now? I mean, you've sacrificed so much for this relationship, so what are you going to do?
go back to Eukarya. Yeah, sort out things with Eukarya and we'll get married. Yeah.
Just like that?
Just like that.
You know, it's easier said than done.
How do you mean?
Exactly what I said.
Because I did.
What are you doing here, sir?
Please, I need your help. My daughter has refused to go to the embassy for her interview. And she's gradually returning to her wayward life. Please, I need you to come back to her.
Sir, listen and listen good. I do not want to insult you. And on the other hand, I don't want to have anything to do with you or yours truly. Kindly leave me alone.
I'm sorry I lied because I wanted to separate both of you. But now I want you back. Please, come back to her. Please.
I'm sorry, I'm not going anywhere.
Zedek, please. Please. According to the respect of a father figure and hear him out, okay? Please.
Oh, really?
Just calm down.
He should have realized that he's old enough to be my father when he lied to his daughter that I had taken the money he promised to give me.
I will go back to my daughter and tell her the whole truth. But if you love her as you say you do, please, come back to her. Please.
I'm sorry, I'm not going anywhere. Theo, I'd rather go to where I am celebrated than tolerated.
Zedek.
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 Theophilus, please.
Don't worry, I will talk to him.
Please.
I'll talk to him.
You have big mess to clean up. There are problems everywhere, but this is different. You have big mess to clean up. Be mindful of whatever you do on earth. Nothing is new. Nothing is new. Nothing lasts forever. Nothing lasts forever. If I never go Panama, if I get righteous, your word is not different. Desist from evil action. Nothing is new. Nothing lasts forever. Nothing lasts forever. If I never go Panama, propose God is righteous. Your word is not different. You can only do your best. Pray and think the best. But slow and steady win the race. You can only do your best. Pray and think the best. But slow and steady win the race. Ukunaga wara 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 wara. Ayanele zam 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 na fire. Ukunaga wara 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 wara. Ayanele zam 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 na fire. You cannot change the hand of time. So be mindful of whatever you do on earth. Nothing is new. Nothing is new. Nothing lasts forever. Nothing lasts forever. If I never go Panama, if I get righteous, your word is not different. Desist from evil action. Nothing is new. Nothing lasts forever. Nothing lasts forever. If I never go Panama, propose God is righteous. Your word is not different.
My wife, please forgive me. I didn't know I was under a spell. Find a place in your heart to forgive me, please.
I forgive you. I don't have anything against you. You're my husband.
Thank you. Thank you, my wife. I remember Mbolo was trying to use me to bring the whole community under her black magic spell.
thank God for your father. Like I said, I'm sorry. Right? Let us go back to how we used to be, the sweet family we used to be. Please, forgive me.
I forgive you, but you have to promise me something.
Honey, anything.
That you're not going to do anything that will cost me my peace again.
I promise.
Cross your heart.
I promise I will never do anything that will hurt you. Oh, my wife is bad.
Your time is up. You are under arrest for third-degree murder, aiding arson, orchestrated injustice, and causing unrest. You are advised to remain silent, for whatever you say or do can be used against you in the court of law. Officer,
sir,
move this man.
Move it.
My wife, don't worry.
Move it.
Don't worry, I will be fine, alright? I'll come back soon.
Move it.
Uguji agumbara bi ogwo. Obi na eja akwụkwọ na express ka ọ na-akwụ. Imana normally one-on-one ekota draw. I'll go with you. Move.
Babe, don't go.
Of time, so be mindful of whatever you do on earth. Nothing is new. Nothing is new. Nothing lasts forever. Nothing lasts forever.
I never knew he went through all that to make you live a normal life.
How did you not figure that out? It's an option to remedy sickle cell anemia.
I'm sorry, my daughter. You know that no one has monopoly of knowledge. As a police officer, your mother abandoned me and I never saw her again. So I had to resign voluntarily and went into business. I was really careless, I'm sorry.
And so, what could be done? What could be done to propitiate for the amount of pain that I've had to go through? What?
I have a confession to make. You see, my plan with Melchizedek was to make sure that everything will be on pretense. Actual feelings were not supposed to be part of the game. So when I returned and discovered that both of you have developed love for each other, I was scared. So I had to do everything to make sure that I destroyed the relationship. I didn't know that he went through all that. Donating his bone marrow. I'm sorry.
So, do you think it's less human to want to spend the rest of his life with me? You want me to leave him, go abroad, and fight these Westerners whose uncensored culture has done more harm than good? You want me to be with the high, the mighty, the people of class?
My daughter, I am sorry. I even lied against him that I paid him money, when in actual sense he rejected the money and said that he loves you.
They say charity begins at home. To be what osisi dị mmadụ n'anya urugodo ụzọ wapụ nke gị a na-esi n'ụlọ mara mma ọ na-ama onye a na-ekiri ekiri ọ dịrọkwa mma igbo ntu. You have big mess to clean up. There are problems everywhere, but this is different. You have big mess to clean up. There are problems everywhere, but this is different. You should be worried, yo, and do the need.
It's your name.
It has happened. While you were holding your peace, the gods were fighting your cause.
It's your name.
My brother.
I have other important issues bothering me. So I do not want to be distracted with local politics anymore.
You won't understand. In fact, it's now that I understand what Ike Mazele, the musician, said, that he who puts somebody in jail gets jailed himself. Permit me to address you as my king.
Michelle, what are you talking about?
Mbulu is dead, and Wakile has been arrested. His investiture did not hold again, and the youths are now clamoring for your kingship.
Where was I when all these were happening?
You returned and lost interest, but the gods got interested in you. An Ebonam surfaced at the installation day to announce that the gods rejected Wakile. Wakile sent policemen, thugs, to go and destroy an Ebonam's house. But the ancestral chief of Nonyelum visited Mbulu like Echeteka, the security snake, and beat her to death. No sooner did that happen than the police arrested Wakile.
Ichia,
my brother,
your stories are sweet, but I think I want to pay more attention to my family. I spent over 30 years attending to our community issues, and it cost me my family. Now I want to put my family together. Let the people of Akuku Igbo look for someone else to be their king.
No.
And if you need some drinks, please call Ichoku.
Hey.
I'll be in my room. And don't forget that you have a room in there in case you want to sleep over.
Ichie, you have to reconsider.
Ichionumebu, there's nothing to reconsider.
Forget, they say charity begins at home. To be what was in the Madinanya, Lugado so what put Kegi. And then see no Marama, Wanama, Ongana Kiri, or do not want me want to. You have big mess to clean up.
Parents usually reprimand their children according to the Bible quotation in Ephesians chapter 6 from verse 1 to 3. Theophilus,
Sir.
please help us out.
Okay, sir. Ephesians chapter 6.
Yes, from verse 1 to 3.
Sorry, chapter 6. From verse 1. The Bible says, Children, obey your parents in the Lord, for this is right. Honor thy father and mother, which is the first commandment with promise, that it may be well with thee and thou mayest live long and prosper on earth.
But they fail to read and understand the verse 4 of the same chapter. Please. Verse 4.
And ye fathers, provoke not your children to wrath, but bring them up in the nurture and admonition of the Lord.
I must admit that I am guilty of that verse 4. I want to ask that you forgive me for being selfish and not paying attention to my family rules. I beg you, please forgive me.
We forgive you.
Forgive you, Dad.
Thank you. Let me say that I want to support the two of you being together. Yes. I have fixed for an interview with the Canadian Embassy for both of you. You can travel abroad together.
Wow, really?
Oh my God.
Hey. Oh,
Dad!
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
I will give you 20 million naira as my support for your master's degree.
20 million?
Yes.
Oh,
Dad.
sir, thank you very much. Thank you. I'm grateful, sir. I'm grateful.
It's okay.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Sir,
Thank you so much.
That will be also to help you start a new life overseas so that we can take good care of my daughter.
Thank you very much. Sir, thank you. Thank you so much.
That will help also for you to take good care of my daughter.
Oh, thank you very much, sir. Sir, I won't disappoint you, I promise you. I love your daughter so much, and notwithstanding the age difference, I love her, and I know she loves me too.
Of course.
Zadek, I owe you more. You risked your own life to undergo a medical operation to make sure that my daughter's life was saved. You are the angel here.
You're welcome, sir.
Nicholas.
Sir.
Not to worry. Once you're done with your youth service, I'll make sure you get a good job here. And if you want to start something on your own, I will give you my support.
Sir, thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Sir, God bless you. I am very grateful, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
I am very happy to do something good for my children and the next generation to come.
That's good, sir.
Finally, I would like you to invite your parents over to my house. I need to see you.
That's not a problem, sir. I'll do that right away. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Father. Thank you so much.
I love you.
And I love you too.
Nothing for you, okay?
Thank you, Dad.
Thank you very much, sir.
Bless you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Sir, thank you so much. Sir. God bless you, sir. Sir, I'm very grateful, sir. God bless you.
Ha! I think this calls.
Sir, let me.
Come, wait, where are you going?
Let me get. What do you care for? What do you care for?
So what are we going to do now? Because I, Ephraim, imagine, will not allow my own blood to be out of my family. I did not claim another man's child, so nobody will claim my own.
You're right. Honestly, my husband, I don't know. Eukaria is pregnant for our son. And our son has found love in another woman from a successful family. Their union would be more favorable than Eukaria.
Don't be selfish. We've forgotten that my meager pension could not sustain us, nor see our son through graduation. It was Eukaria that supported him from a meager tailoring money. We can't abandon her now.
So what do we do?
You call our son and tell him to send you his address that you are coming to see him.
What next?
When he sends the address to you, you and Eukaria will go and sort out things with him. When things become difficult, I will come in.
But my husband, you know that. Talk of the angel. Your son.
Pick it.
Hello, my son.
Hello? Hi, Mom. Can you hear me?
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine. Mom, please pay attention. I don't have enough airtime. Yes. Mom, my parents are needed in Delta State, my place of primary assignment.
Yeah. Any problem?
Oh, no, everything is fine. Someone just wants to see you and father.
Ah. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Okay. All right. Okay. Thank you. Yeah.
What did they say?
He said we are needed at his NYSC base this weekend as a matter of urgency.
I hope no problem.
We don't know.
Okay, good. We go. But we go with Eukaria to sort out things with him over this issue that we just discussed now. That means we'll use one stone to kill two birds.
That's true. That's what we'll do.
Yes.
Hey, what's up? How far?
I'm good, bro.
You alright?
Very alright. I'm happy for you. Like, trust me, I'm happy for you.
Thanks, man.
I'm happy for you.
Thank you, bro. Listen, I feel so indebted to you. If it wasn't for you, all of this wouldn't have happened. You know that?
Okay. Let's say I pray that in our next world we'll come together again.
As
this time,
as brothers. Thank you, man.
Respect, man.
Thank you.
I'm so
Appreciate
happy.
it. I'm happy for you, man.
I'm so happy for you.
20 million.
A job.
All right, so I'll probably just give you a cut, man.
Of course you should know that. You know what? This time around, we're not eating anything here.
Okay.
We're giving ourselves a treat, okay?
Definitely.
So.
Where do you want to go?
Well, you're putting the bills, yeah?
Yeah, why not? I have 20 million.
That's good.
But he hasn't transferred the money yet.
Don't tell me that.
This living room upstairs has somehow become my favorite part of the house.
Yeah, I can see how relaxed you are on the couch. Yeah, exactly. I think it's more quiet upstairs.
Oh, they are here?
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah, they're here. I asked Ichoku to bring them upstairs.
All right.
Oh, okay.
Just wait a bit.
They're coming.
Antonia. Vincent.
Melchizedek, you remember the woman I told you that left me with my daughter and eloped with another man? That is the woman here.
You cannot change the hand of time. So be mindful of whatever you do on earth. Nothing is new. Nothing is new. Nothing lasts forever. Nothing lasts forever. If I never go Panama, if I get your word is.
Sorry, what did you say?
That is the woman that eloped with another man.
My mother?
Yes.
Wait. Does this mean Kosi is my sister?
Children, I know I've wronged you. Please, I'm begging you to forgive me in the name of God. Whichever way that I've wronged both of you, please forgive me. Vincent was on my neck, and Ephraim is the man I love. Ephraim and I planned and faked the medical reports. Please, I'm deeply sorry. Please forgive me. I beg of you. Please.
What the?
Ephraim, my love, this is the simplest thing for you to do. You're a doctor. Write something, anything. See, he is AS. I am AS. Write a result that states that I am AA. He will accept it.
Tonya, I know you love me, but this is all shades of wrong. It can affect my profession.
Odinanwa is too busy to notice. Before you know it, we'll milk a whole lot of money from him. Enough to work our transfer to somewhere we can go and live a better life together. Please.
You know I love you.
I know.
But it's inhuman. I can't do this.
I love you and that's all that matters. Go ahead and write the report. He will never find out. Please. Please.
Okay. Tonya, you went to him for the purpose of his money and not to fall in love with him?
Don't be ridiculous, Ephraim. I'm there to sleep with him as my husband. Or how else do I convince him to give me money that I've been giving to you?
Really? And you went ahead and you got pregnant for him? What kind of silly mistakes did you do? What kind of silly mistake is that?
Smoke screen. Smoke screen, that's what they call it. I'm there to perform all the wifely obligations so that he will not suspect my plans. Sleeping with him, having sex with him was part of the obligation.
Look, let me tell you one thing. We're alone on this. Trust me.
If that be the case, I will have an abortion and fake miscarriage.
What? You must be such a pathetic, mad woman. Look, let me tell you. If I look for that baby, I'll spill the beans.
Ephraim.
Yes.
Why are you suddenly acting as if we're not in this together? I mean the entire plan.
We were until things got messed up. The plan was for you to get enough money from this man, start a new life elsewhere. But you decided to get pregnant and run away with the baby.
So you just checked my baby and she's SS. What can we do?
That is the implication of an AS marrying an AS. You should have thought of this before you opened up to him.
Listen, Dr. Ephraim, I would rather have you prefer solution than abortion blames.
Learn to know when to stop. And the time to stop is now. We have gathered over 2 million naira. The time to leave is now.
Okay, it's fine. So where are we leaving to and when?
Okay, I have I have sent my transfer request to FMC Kotekbene. They will reply me by Tuesday. So we'll leave immediately, but not with the child.
Excuse you? I beg your pardon.
You have to abandon the child for her father. We're starting a new life alone. Alone, but not with the child. Thank you.
Baby, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I just have to do what I need to do to follow my love. When you grow up, you also understand the language of love. You will do things without thinking too.
It's enough, Tonya. Enough. She's in the hands of a rich and a good father who can take care of his own blood.
Ephraim, leave me alone. Ephraim, leave me alone.
Tonya.
I know what I went through to deliver this baby. The pain, the cut. Only for me to abandon her just like that.
Tonya. Tonya, my love. Life is a choice. We can only make choices out of life, respectively of what you will be in future. We can only have fear of the past coming to haunt us someday.
My baby, please tell your father he's a good man. I need to go now.
Antonia! Hey, baby. Hey, stop. Come here. It's okay. Antonia, why? God. Go see. It's okay. Go see, come. Now listen. Daddy loves you, okay? Okay? Yeah.
You cannot change the hand of time. So be mindful of whatever you do on earth. Nothing is new. Nothing is new. Nothing lasts forever. Nothing lasts forever. If I never go Panama, if I your word is not different. Is it from evil action? Nothing is.
Oh, shit. I feel so ashamed. I feel so ashamed. I can't believe I'm an offspring of evil parents like you.
How do I explain? How do I explain that the mother that I thought abandoned me is still alive? That I'm in love with my own brother.
Wait, this is crazy. I've been... No, the question is, what if we had gone intimate with each other? I've been in love with you, my own sister.
Please forgive us. We are not worthy to be, let alone being identified as parents. We are truly sorry. We are truly sorry. Please forgive us.
One of when close were there. Please. All we need to do now is to forgive each other. No matter how it hurts, forgiveness will make us heal faster. Please.
Forgiveness. Such an easy word to say.
I must admit that it all started from me not paying attention to little things that matter in my home. I concentrated more on community development, and my family slipped off my hands. I did not do the first thing first. Antonia here and Ephraim understood the concept of love. They never allowed childbearing to come between them, and up till now, the love between them is still strong. And Zedek, you sacrificed a lot to restore your sister to longevity. Love indeed is the strongest foundation of the earth. So I beg you, please let us forgive one another so that the future will be better for us. Because You see? Please. Come, my come. My cousin there.
There are problems everywhere, but this is different. You have big mess to clean up. There are problems everywhere, but this is different. You should be worried, yo, and do the needful. But if I can play, you have big mess to clean up.
You know, Zedek, I don't know how I feel about this. You know, this whole revelation. But the only reason I'm excited is that there's one person. You are that one person that will never leave me. Because we both share same womb.
It's entirely a crazy situation. Like, but I mean, I still love you like a sister. Yeah. So I'm still short of words and I'm still trying to understand. After all this while, you're my sister.
Thank you.
For what?
For resisting me. Even when I tried so hard, so we could get. But you know, I'm sorry, I was just overwhelmed by my emotions.
That was God doing his work. Yeah. It's okay. Everything is fine.
There's something else I would really love to talk to you about.
Please shoot. Tell me anything.
Eukarya.
What about her?
You and her are lovers. And you know that soon we would be traveling to Canada.
Yeah, I can remember that.
Okay. Why don't you marry her?
But that's not part of the plan.
You can marry her and then we can travel. Hi. Hi, Eukarya. Hi.
Hi. Hi.
Nick?
Yeah.
Can I talk to you, please?
In private?
Yes.
No, you don't have to go. It's okay, she can stay. I mean, she's my sister, so it's fine if she stays.
Okay. Do you remember the last night we spent together? Before you went for your youth service?
Yep. I can remember. Yeah. What's up?
We had sex.
Okay. Yeah, I remember that.
Look, I don't mean to upset you, okay? I promised myself never to give you my child. I promise never to tell anyone about this. But I feel my child needs to know his father. Yeah. I don't want what happened to both parents to happen to us. I mean, I might not be able to avert it.
Wait, are you pregnant for me?
Yes.
How
I thought I should let you know. Excuse me.
Wait, hold on.
Congratulations. Thank you.
You're pregnant for me?
Yes.
Wow. I didn't... Wait, how did you know?
I found out a few weeks ago. Congratulations! Thank you. Give me a hug. Here.
Everything is just happening so fast.
You are having a baby. With a baby.
Chief Vincent of the Mama.
On the mail.
Average Jamba. What a great injustice is done to you. But please, today in our meeting, we the people of Akuku unanimously agreed to crown you the king of Akuku. And we beg you not to turn us down. That is why we were sent by the elders in council to discuss with you. Whoa, it's your face.
You are a good man. We were sent by the community and signed by Ulu that you are the one to rule us, not that one.
Wow. A man with a humanitarian heart is not easy to come by. Chief, if you turn us down, the fate of Akuku will be uncertain.
Brother, you know, initially I was telling you to keep your eyes off from the kingship. Now you've seen it, that you have been credibly granted this honor. I congratulate you. Bravo.
Dad, you know, now that your house is in order, I think that you should consider taking this position.
Honorable, you know, it has always been my desire to lead our people. It has always been my pleasure to do that because I have their interest at heart. Yes, it is true that at a time I lost interest, but with your decision and then with my house now in order, and also with my beautiful daughter being in good form, I have agreed to take up the service. Yes, you know that as the servant, the people of Akuku Igbo would lead the entire community through me. It is my pleasure. Thank you. Thank you. Yes.
Love more, and you go to love more. Where are you? Love more. Oh my heart, I have given you my heart. love more. And you go give love more. Where ya love more. Oh, be more. And you go be more. Where ya oh, be more.